Today I'll show you how to cook crispy egg noodles with beef. Alright, let's take a look on all the ingredients I use in this video. And if you would like to try my recipe, in the next screen I have all the list of the ingredients. Now let's jump into cooking. Slice your beef thin and nice. Marinate with 1 tablespoon of seasoning liquid, some white peppers, and give it a little mix and put on the side. For carrots, I make a little like flour, but I know I'm still suck at this. White onions, bell pepper, broccoli, and yu choy. Usually people use bok choy, but I like yu choy, so I use it. Now let's steam. Only use the bottom part of yu choy. Steam that with carrots and broccoli. Before you cook, add some oil to keep the veggies shinier and greener. That's the secret. After that, pick everything up and pour on the side. See how nice and green? And keep this broth for next step when you cook the whole thing. Next step is to fry some noodles and keep all your noodles in the basket so it's not spread out, and you see it's how it fits on the plate. Make sure you flip it over to cook both sides. You see how nice and crispy it looks? Beautiful. Alright, let's make the stir fry stuff. Add some oil, beef, minced garlic. Give it a little stir. Add 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of cooking wine, and 2 tablespoons of seasoning liquid. Drop all your veggie in, add a little oil, and start shaking. 2 cooking spoons of steamed veggie broth that you saved earlier, and give it a little stir. Add 2 tablespoons of tapioca mixed with cold water, and make sure you shake it very well. Last but not least, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, and give it a little stir before you turn off the heat. Now time to set everything on your plate with the crispy noodles. Pour everything on top. Make it look nice. Last but not least, add some white pepper on top. So this is how you do crispy egg noodle with beef. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're new here, consider subscribe my channel, and I'll see you next time.